So today I will show you the red carpet facial or expression wrinkle relaxer. The client called you and she said, I have some event tonight and I'm tired, I've been traveling. This is my face treatment modality with a shock results. For that purpose we use foaming cleanser, Biotech foaming cleanser, which is makeup remover at the same time, and toner, 3-in-1, and you can use even without water. Then we'll follow up with instant radiance facial peeling mask, a combination of peptides, lysine, lactic and azelaic acid to resurface the skin and for deep pore cleansing. Expression wrinkle relaxer, serum and cream. Spends small amount, 2 clouds of the foaming cleanser, dab on client's face, and with small circular motion massage into the skin until it completely liquefies, means absorbed. I can feel the skin of this client. Her name is Barbara and she has been my client for a long time. I don't know, Barbara has to remind me, maybe 15 years or more? More than that, 1993 I guess. That's it. This is the result after the cleansing. Since I will do a treatment protocol, I definitely will rinse off the facial cleanser. So I'll use a gentle toner, non-alcohol, just to wipe the skin. You know for what purpose. It's very important to respect the orbiculario-oculi. The eye muscle is attached here. The free end of the muscle is towards the bridge of the nose. So you never massage opposite side, always from out in, out in. The skin is cleansed. The next step is to apply. You may blot the skin with Kleenex before the application of the instant radiance facial peeling mask. This product is for in-office use as a backup bar and for retail. The same products, the same size. How much? It's about approximately 2 to 3 ml. This is the amount that you need. So from 1 tube you probably will have use of 65 to 70 applications. Coat the skin. The active principles or the active ingredients here are lactic acid and azelaic acid. What is unique about this mask is the delivery. We use glycerin polyacrylate to deliver the active peeling agents into the skin, which is a global patent. And then I use a global patent on lysine. Plus we have matrixyl pentapeptide in the mask. Leave the mask on for approximately 7 to 8 minutes. A vegetable alternative to surgery for total anti-aging effect. People people ask, but how this is possible, a vegetable alternative? Yes, it's possible. What we use here, the active ingredients or the active principles in Expression Wrinkle Relaxer product are vegetable molecules, vegetable extract from xenocaine and sap from lime wood bark, plus modulators and neurotransmitters from science. Those molecules from xenocaine and sapwood plus the modulators, they have capability to send signals from nerve to nerve and from nerve to muscle. They have slightly anesthetic effect. The client will experience, when you apply the serum, follow up with the mask, slightly cooling effect and numbing effect. Secret in this formula, it's 93% active ingredients in the serum and in the cream. So we use only 7% of water and emulsifier, and the result we'll see at the end. What they do, those little vegetable molecules, in association with patented peptides, the anesthetic power is to reduce muscular contraction that causes expression wrinkles. This particular product takes a very complex lab work and lab process to produce, and a top-notch cosmetic pharmacist. And I believe this is the only product in the market so far. So we use vegetable extract from xenocaine and sap from lime wood bark, plus modulators and neurotransmitters. So having noticed that the mask is like white paste, I'll do a little application. See, it's like white emulsion, and after 7 to 8 minutes it completely disappears. So what you see, you have to massage approximately 1 minute, but do not scratch the skin. So the active peeling agent already absorbed into the skin, and only the delivery is on the surface of the skin, the polyacrylate. You don't have to massage long time, just 1 minute, and rinse off the mask. Due to the peptides, the skin feels tight. How does it feel, Barbara?
Tight.
Tight. You can take a towel from the hot cabbie and rinse off the mask. Keep draping the towel, take a fresh towel and wipe. Gently remove the mask without stretching the skin. And wipe from out in the eye and the eyelid. It's very safe to use the mask on the eyelid. The next step is to use EWR facial kit. We have 2 products inside, the serum and the cream, which in this case for in-office use, we'll use a double coat as a mask. Shake the serum before application and apply on the expression wrinkles, glabella, nasolabial, patients always ask me how much they have to use. Well, use generous amount of the serum. See, this client, she doesn't have deep right eyes, but it's very important to use on the right eyes. With effleurage movement, I will use a little bit here on the crow feet. Apply on the muscle, not that very close to the eye. And the neck area. How does it feel, Barbara?
Great.
She said it feels great. The next application is the moisturizer. I will use a spatula to apply a thin coat. Very thin coat. With a gentle massage, spread out the product. Both the serum and the cream has a biosensorial effect. The client should feel the product now. And now it is time to ask your client if she's claustrophobic. If she's claustrophobic, you are not supposed to apply the mask, the paraffin application, on the eye area, just gently on the eyelid. So are you claustrophobic, Barbara?
No.
She's not. Now, to create a faster absorption, we have to raise the temperature, the body and the skin temperature, just a little bit. And for that purpose, I use just Kleenex, dip in paraffin, wait a little bit, double the Kleenex, no brushes. This is the fastest way to use paraffin on the skin. Layer it on the face. Wait a little bit to cool. Turn on one side your face, Barbara. Yes. And apply. Okay, turn on the other side now. Okay, center. After the application of the paraffin, it takes approximately 8 minutes to cool down, 8, no more than 10 minutes. Then this mask comes in one piece. That's it. Now you can see the result after the mask, the volume, the skin augmentation. And we have to perform a short massage, very short massage. You may use under steam or either steam or just spray with a little toner to wet your hands, or Evian water, mineral water. You may finish with a little bit sunblock. The skin is moist. The only inconvenience about this product is that you cannot apply makeup right away. It takes approximately an hour the product to absorb into the skin. You can use as a preventative cosmetic and you can use as anti-aging topical. Thank you very much. How does it feel, Barbara?
It feels great.
She said it feels great. Thank you.